This DUMPMAN RV sewer hose kit provides a full 15-foot reach with rotating fittings, making it easy to connect between your camper outlet and the dump station without awkward stretching or kinking. The hose body uses a thick, flexible thermoplastic elastomer construction with reinforced vinyl that resists punctures, abrasion, and sun damage, so it holds up well to frequent travel use. Swivel bayonet fittings and a snug rubber gasket create a tight, leak-resistant connection at the RV outlet, which helps keep messy drips and odors under control during dumping. The clear 90-degree elbow lets you see the flow as you empty the tanks, so you can tell when the line has finished flushing and avoid disconnecting too early. A universal-style elbow adapter is included that threads into several common dump station pipe sizes, which makes this kit convenient to use at different campgrounds without extra parts. When the trip is over, the accordion-style hose compresses down to a compact length that fits inside standard square bumper storage with end caps to keep everything contained between uses.